Video to fix Netflix error code F7121-1331. Pardon the interruption 1044, and if Netflix keeps stopping playback with this error, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because every time you try to watch a movie or series, Netflix suddenly shows F7121-1331 or 1044 and won't play your content? This usually happens because of corrupted browser data, outdated browser versions, conflicting extensions, or temporary network issues, preventing Netflix from streaming properly. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of technical steps that are hard to follow, asking you to reinstall browsers or reset your PC unnecessarily. On Rexish, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that stops Netflix from showing F7121-1331 and 1044 without losing bookmarks, passwords, or account data. This method clears corrupted cache, updates your browser, and fixes conflicts so Netflix streams smoothly again. It works on Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and other major browsers on Windows 10 and 11. Keeps your data safe, and takes only a few minutes. If Netflix keeps showing F7121-1331. Pardon the interruption 1044. This solution will restore streaming fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexish know, and I will guide you until Netflix plays movies and shows without errors.